Hello Geminis, welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. Hope you are doing good and happy winters. This is your new month reading for the month of December 2021, last month of the year 2021. As you know that I have already shuffled cards and spread them out. This is a Celtic cross spread for new month reading, and I have already done reading with this spread. So that's why this is spread already. So this will be a general reading. It may resonate you or may not. Please take those messages what resonates you and leave the rest. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. So let's start your reading without any further delay. Underneath the deck you are having Seven of Swords and Three of Cups. I'm seeing that, or I'm picking up a message here for you, Gemini, is that there are people around you who are gossiping about you. Maybe they are in your friend circles, they are just behind the scene gossiping about you, or maybe someone people around you who are trying to hurt you by their sneaky behavior. Like they are just sneaky, they are saying things about you which are not exist. So they are trying to hurt you by their planning, strategic planning, behind the scene strategic planning. So people are trying to hurt you by their gossiping, and they are saying things about you which don't exist. So this is the thing you are facing in the month of December. You have to protect yourself from this kind of people, or you maybe you are around these kind of people, or maybe this is your friend circle who is just talking about your love life this time. You're behind your back. So here you are on a waiting period. You are waiting for something for long time, and now you are ready to talk to with this person, whoever that person, for whom you are waiting for long time. So now you are making some kind of decision for yourself, or maybe you are ready to talk to these people to clear yourself, to clear all your all negativity who these what these people spreading about you. You are ready to clear all these kind of negative thoughts. Or um, maybe you are taking some kind of decision to start talking, like you took initiate, you are ready to talk now. So with the person, or maybe you are ready to talk with these people. So clear yourself. So this time in month of December, the theme of the month will be Wheel of Fortune. Like there is a big change is coming in your way in the month of December. It can be a change in something. Things will not be the same as they were before. Like whatever the situation before, this will not be the same in the month of December. So there is a big change is coming towards you. Maybe this change is because of your this decision. Whatever you are going to say to other people, whether it's a clarification, whether it's a truth you are going to tell, or maybe whether it's a decision you are making for yourself. This whatever this decision is going to change your life in a big way. So there is a change is coming towards you, but what is blocking it is a Five of Cups. So you're emotionally very much drained, you're very much regretting over something. Your emotions are not in a balanced situation. So this imbalanced emotions are blocking your big change which is coming towards you. Your imbalanced emotions, your regrets are stopping and blocking your change. So in your mind you are very much emotional, you are getting very much emotional. So you are just thinking about your emotional side, not from a logical side. So this emotional side of yours is blocking your big change. So maybe whatever these people are talking about you, you are getting lot emotionally drained because of this energy, this because of these kind of people you are feeling very much drained. So that's why um, here I'm seeing that you just want new beginning. You just want new beginning, or it's a you want quick new beginning, it's a passionate quick beginning, or that's why you are ready to make a decision for yourself. Or if it's like that, uh, after a breakup for with someone, you were on a waiting period, that this person, you are waiting for this person to call you, but this person is not calling you. That's why other people are gossiping about you and about your love life. So this time, if this person is not coming back towards you, you have to make yourself emotionally balanced. You have to clear your all negative thoughts, and to make yourself get ready to have another relation in your life. This is the theme of the month of December. In the end of this December, you will be able to make your emotional self balance, and you will be able to have new beginning and another relation in your love life. So that's why there is a one. You are ready, you want new beginning in your passionate love life. So here I'm seeing that your surrounding people are, or maybe you are attracting in the month of December towards a person who is already married, or maybe you are attracting towards a person who is very much financially stable, or the person who has a big family. It can be a situation, or maybe you are meeting this person on a in a some family gathering. So here you need to release your emotionally drained um, energies. So you have to make yourself balance in month of December, so that you can have this person, a new person in your life, if you are single and your person is not coming back, or if it's a situation where you are waiting for your person to come back to you, and after a long time waiting, you're ready to talk to this person because people are gossiping about you behind your back, about your love life, so that you are ready, you make a decision to make yourself emotionally balanced, and you made a decision to talk to this person, and your decision is giving this person also a stability in their love life. So that's the situation where in the end of the month, you will be able to have this person again in your life. You will have a second chance with this person. Just one thing you have to do, you have to uh, clear your negative thoughts, and balance your energies to have this person again in your life. Maybe you are dealing with a Sagittarius. Here this person is a Sagittarius. I have clarified this 10 of Pentacles. So yes, this person was waiting for your call. This person is when you call this person will see it as a whatever they were waiting for, it is coming towards them, and they are ready to talk also. And this will make them emotionally balanced. Their love life will go, it will be balancing, and they will accept this um, reconciliation. This reconciliation is giving them a stability within themselves. So here, if your past person is not coming back, so this message is for you. Release your ex. The time has come to clear your energy. Release your ex. Here you need to clear your all and negativity from your mind, and make yourself emotionally balanced. Then you can make yourself ready to have new relationship in your life. You will make yourself ready to have this new relationship in your life. If you are waiting for the person from your past, so you are having a strong chemistry with this person. There is a strong magnetic attraction. um, between you and your person. So that's why this person is also feeling very much abundant after your decision, after your communication. So things can start again with this person because there is a strong magnetic attraction between you people. So Gemini, that was your rating. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below. Like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.